remember, that is exactly the hair color that I had, to now this, which, looking at their samples, let's pick out some darker ones here. And I love how this is like a good amount of hair that you can sample with. You can blend it into your own hair and see how it matches. Jasmine, if it's your first time here, welcome. And if you're back, welcome back. I have something exciting to show you. So you guys know that I did just recently dye my hair a totally different color, which means I can no longer use the hair extensions that I have in my arsenal because they're way too blonde or just too light. So I am teaming up with this sponsored video. Shout out to Terra Hair and their websites, usahair.com and canadahair.ca. Depending on where you are in the country, those are the sites that you want to order from. But they sent me a bunch of samples. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to pick your hair samples without having to go through the process of ordering hair extensions that end up not working out for you. So no matter which website you order from, be it usahair.com or canadahair.ca, you can get 2 free samples of hair to try out, meaning you can hold it up in real light and real life and make sure that it actually matches your hair color. And I have a bunch of samples because I was telling them that I was going to dye my hair and we didn't know how it was going to turn out. So I am very, very excited that it turned out the way that I wanted it to. Now, when you order, you only get 2 free samples. So choose wisely. Now, this can be hard to do when you're looking at your phone or your website, your web browser on their website. It can be hard to figure out if the picture is going to be accurate to your actual hair color because the saturation of your devices, just the lighting, filters, stuff like that. It can be hard to just pick and choose based off a picture. So I think it's really awesome that they allow you to get 2 free hair samples so that you can accurately match it before you buy the extensions. So I obviously have a lot more than 2, but when you order, you can pick 2 different colors. You will get an envelope, a guide telling you more about the hair extensions, and don't forget your code. If you use the code SUPER10 on either of these websites, you get 10% off, which is great. And you use that toward all of your Terra hair products. So what I ended up picking, and here's a really good representation of what my hair did look like. It was number 12. If you guys remember, yeah, it was number 12 and 4 and 8 and like 15 other different colors, different shades of blonde, brown. So I went from this to basically this, which I think is matching incredibly accurately. This is 1B, and this is the hair extension that I will be using as long as I have dark hair. But I love that I could get this little sample and just kind of, and you know that it's going to match perfectly. Other than looking on the website and going, ooh, do these black extensions have more of a blue undertone or a red undertone or whatever the deal is? You can just get these samples. You can hold it up in all of your lighting, your bathroom light, your car light, your outdoor light, whatever, and make sure that it's actually going to match. So that is just how easy it is to get these samples before you buy the extensions. And that's really important because a lot of brands, including Terra Hair, have a policy. If you break the safety seal on a package of hair extensions, because typically they are real human hair, and even if it's synthetic hair, it's more of a personal product. Once you break that seal, you can't really return them. It's gross. So you want to make sure that your stuff is going to match before you break that seal and you commit to the product that you bought. They do have a really great return policy though. So in the event that your samples, you thought you got the right color and you ended up ordering the wrong one and you get it, and if you realize, oh no, this is not going to work, as long as you don't break that seal, they do have a great exchange and return policy. But that being said, just order the samples and just make it easy on yourself. You're getting them for free, and then you can make sure that they actually work for you. So I'm going to have canadahair.ca and usahair.com linked down below so you can go check it out. Go get you some hair extensions. They're really great to play with. And if you have hair like mine where you have a lot of it, but it's just kind of not exactly thin, but it's not full, and you just want more of a boost, or if you do have thinning hair, you can get hair extensions to just kind of be prettier, feel better about yourself. There's nothing wrong with it. So go check out those sites, and I'm going to get ready to try the new Halo hair extensions that I just got. I've never installed Halo hair extensions before, so this is going to be new for me. But make sure that you guys watch out for that video, which is coming not immediately, but I'm about to film that because I'm almost done filming this. Go ahead and make sure you're subscribed as well so you know every time I upload a new video. Hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next one. And again, big shout out to Tara Hair, canadahair.ca, usahair.com. You guys are awesome, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Thumbnail shot.